Floki Inu coin is up nearly 20% this week. Why is it pumping? And more importantly, why should you buy Floki Inu token? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Floki Inu token as some very interesting things are happening and some news in the way which makes buying Floki Inu way more enticing. First of the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. It will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the coins we cover on this channel. So we're talking about Floki Inu coin that's having a tremendous week, up nearly 20% on the week, 8% on the day alone, and up through 0.3% on the hour. And we see top meme coins across the board. Nothing reflects as high as Floki. A close second being Popcat, which is a project that I've been telling you guys to load up on for the past couple of weeks now. So make sure you check out some of the videos on time at the time we post. So hit that bell notification button. You could have made a 20% gain if you watched our last video. Now let's talk about Floki, and specifically, why is Floki Inu pumping? We're seeing up 8% on the day. It's getting hot. The crypto markets are heating up again. CZ Binance release, from what I've heard earlier today, Fear and Greed Index currently at a 50 neutral. Overall market down 0.5%, but it was up earlier today and just making a slight recovery. Yes, volume is down, but that's anticipated. Coping in the weekend, we're going to see some crazy pumps. Now, Floki Inu, guys, if you don't know, it's a people's cryptocurrency with a ton of utility, featuring a ton of articles, blogs, mainstream media outlets. It has play to earn, Tokenify, staking, Flokify and education platform, NFTs, prepaid cards, Floki Place, university, trading bot, you name it, they got it. But why is this token pumping? There's a specific reason. Floki looked like it recently had listed this Simon's Cat token, and now Binance welcomes Simon Cat's meme to BNB. Real Floki has a new best friend in town. That's absolutely massive, and Floki retweeted it, taking all this attention, bringing it back to the main token. We see Dear Vikings. First of all, we would like to sincerely apologize for the roller coaster that Simon Cat pre-sale has been. After extensively reviewing data on how aggressive some bad actors tried to gain bot, they basically had to cancel the pre-sale altogether and figure out what's best for the project. They go on about this, but we're not going to sit here and read all of this, but basically they go about summarizing how they were able to fix the solution and have a successful launch. Not only did they have a successful launch, but it looks like BNB chain clearly mentioned this project as well, which is absolutely massive, helping get that extra push, getting a ton of media attention, and that's what's seeing directly translate to the price of Floki pumping as well. Obviously, Floki doing just more than that. We can see the Gamer's Guide to Valhalla, a massive play to earn company talking about Valhalla, which is massive. Floki community approves $200,000 investment into Simon's Cat meme coin, absolutely massive as well. They're just getting deeper and deeper into the ecosystem of meme coins and building a massive community, which is helping bring this project to the absolute moon. Guys, at the end of the day, the meme coin, everything for a project to be successful is community and how community driven the project is. And now when they get back to the community and get involved with other projects, that's a great way to grow as a project themselves, and it's making us absolutely bullish for this project. Talking about being bullish, guys, here's a project I'm absolutely bullish on that you may want to load up on before it goes on pre-sale. Just like some other massive pre-sale tokens we talked about on the channel in the past, this one has some crazy upside potential and offering a crazy 199% AP, which is insane right now. So Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy and stake now during the pre-sale to max on your rewards before the price skyrockets. Pepe Unchained, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fee, high volume capacity, and 100x faster than ETH. And in 1 day and 5 hours, they're raising their price. So you want to buy the absolute lowest price, now is your time to buy. Guys, they've raised $10 million in the past couple of months, and they're getting whales attention, so much attention going to this project. This is going to absolutely blow up. So if you want to buy in now, now's your best time to buy. Link in the description below. Check it out. Back to Floki, we're talking about price pump. It only makes sense when we take a look at the technical reports. Technical reports looking very bullish. We can see over here, the moving averages are on buy, Oscars on buy, overall summary giving us a buy, and Floki just on a crazy bullish uphaul, up 16% on the week. Yes, it's down 30% on the month, which still leaves us some buying opportunity. 6 months up nearly 305%. The meme coins are getting absolutely bullish, and you don't want to miss out on the party, so make sure you load up while you can. Guys, before we end the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below so you get the latest and greatest crypto news on time, as we're catching gems on a daily basis and we don't want you to miss out. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.